Sup everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you learn how to take control of your financial destiny. You probably know by now that we cover apps that involve money on this channel, personal finance, and we've been dabbling into some credit cards every now and then. On this video, we're going to be covering the Cash App and a new feature that has come out called Activities and Insights. So we're going to start off by opening the app up. And you want to make sure you have the most up-to-date version of the Cash App for this to appear. It's also important to note that this only is relevant if you have the Cash App card. So if you don't have a Cash App card and you have an interest in doing so, you can click on this video to get that taken care of. Assuming all that is the case, you want to click on the card icon at the bottom of the screen. Once here, you'll see something called Insights and Activity. Now, some people might think on the surface that this is just going to show your transaction history. And to some degree it is, but it gets more deeper than just your standard transaction history. So we're going to click on it, and it loads exactly how much money you've spent using your Cash App debit card on a monthly basis. If you scroll down, you'll see the transactions from your card's activity. Now keep in mind, this is not your entire transaction history. It's just the transaction history in regards to your Cash App debit card. If you want to see your actual transaction history, which includes the sending money, receiving money, invitations that you've gotten referrals off of, you want to check this video out that goes into the transaction history. But what's unique about this is if I click on see where you spent the most money in June, it actually categorizes it based on the amount of money you spent at select places or in certain categories. So as you can see, I'm a big fan of Smoothie King, so I've been spending a lot of money on that. Google Play, there's various apps that I spent money on. Squarespace, that's for a website provider. Meetup.com, same thing. And this can be very good information if you're looking to see where your money went and just to make sure it's going to the appropriate places. If it's not going to the appropriate places, then you have the opportunity to make adjustments based on what you see. For instance, if you're spending too much money on XYZ, you'll know that by looking at this, and you can start to adjust your budget or spending accordingly. I think that's actually pretty cool. But with that being said, that does conclude the video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. See you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.